Today we're going to be opening a brokerage account with Fidelity. Now, if you don't know which one to pick, I would say this. It's better to pick one today, start investing, and then a year from now, realize you picked the wrong one. It's better to do that than to not do anything, not pick one, and then a year later you're still in the same situation financially or worse. So that's all I've got to say on that. Just pick one. I picked Fidelity because that's where I had my 401k with work. That's why I opened my Roth IRA there, and now I'm going to open a brokerage account with them. So you go to fidelity.com, you go to open an account, and you're going to go on the right hand side here to the brokerage account. Click open now. We're going to be doing an individual account, so individual ownership. Hit next. Now, if you're not already a Fidelity customer, obviously you put no. I am, so I'm gonna hit yes. And then I'm gonna log in. But it's gonna have you fill out information, and it's just gonna preload it for mine. Okay, so this is where you're going to be filling out your information. I'm gonna blur this out because I don't want you guys having my information. And then account settings, that one you might have questions on. So where it says core positions, so you might have questions on the core position. Honestly, it doesn't matter. I think it gives you like 3 options. They're all cash equivalents. I would just pick SPAXX, but look into it a little bit if you want to. And then once you're done with that information, just hit confirm my information. Now, of course, always read the terms and conditions. Do you agree to the electronic delivery? You're gonna have to answer this one. Yes. Certify your taxpayer identification number. Just basically saying that you are who you say you are. By selecting open account below, you acknowledge that. Yep, all the information is correct. All legal stuff. Just make sure everything you put is correct. You don't want the IRS or anyone going after you. Once you're done with this, open account. And then it might give you a page where it's got a whole bunch of different steps, like something about your goals and then how you can start contributing money. So hopefully yours doesn't look too different than this, but you're gonna need to fund your account somehow, and you've got several options. You do a one-time transfer, you do recurring transfers, you can transfer assets from an account or another brokerage firm. So let's say you had you had a brokerage account somewhere else, you want to come to Fidelity, you would pick that one and download, print, and mail a paper transfer. No idea what that one is, honestly. And you could also do that later. So finish funding or want to fund later. I'm gonna do that later. So I'm just gonna go to the account overview. At this point, you're done. And so if it asks you any other question, okay. So there's something for the experience. This is pretty cool. So after you've either funded your account or decided to skip it, it'll ask you questions to sort of help with your experience. So just fill this out and then hit submit. I'm still in the wealth accumulation phase of my investing, so it's gonna be pretty much all index funds. And once I get over like $500,000 or something, then I'll go to like a financial pro. I'll go to a financial advisor, probably the Money Guy show, because I watch them a lot. So you fill this out, hit submit, and I don't know what else to expect, but we'll see. Oh, and you're done. And that's it. As you guys can see, I've got my other accounts with Fidelity. I've got a Roth IRA. I've got my 401k. And now I've got my brokerage account. So that's it. We've got our account. So if you click the individual investment account, you've got other options, right? We didn't fund this, so it's probably something I would have to do. It's even got like a get started thing here. So it'll take you step by step through everything. You probably didn't need this video, but it's here just in case. So this is a page you might see if you're not an existing Fidelity customer, and it's just other things you can do. So manage security settings, you can transfer your money, which you will have to do eventually. Name your beneficiaries, and then you've got this part's probably really important. Go over your goals and strategy and then start investing. yeah, I would honestly stay away from all of these things. So while you're in your individual account, you've got a bunch of different tabs here. You can see what positions you've got. I'm not going to have anything yet. Yeah, I've got nothing. If you want to make a trade, go to trade. These are your options. Fidelity has a lot of resources you can use to help you. I'll probably do my own research though. So that was it. That was a lot quicker than I expected. I knew it'd be quick, I knew it'd be easy, but it was easier than I thought. Hopefully it was also easy for you guys. Again, remember that it's better to choose one now, realize a year down the road that it was the wrong one, because you could always transfer. But if you don't pick one now, a year later, you didn't invest and you're at the same place financially or worse, you can't get that time back. You can't transfer or do anything crazy like that. So just pick one. Fidelity's a good one. There's Charles Schwab, I think, and then Vanguard. Those are 3 big ones. There's a whole bunch of options. I like Fidelity. That's why I have my 401k, my Roth IRA, and now a brokerage account. Let me know if you have any questions, and good luck.